here, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, part 2, so how to make money online as a teenager, even during quarantine, using your phone. If you want to see my part 1, it will be linked up here. My part 1 did surprisingly pretty good. Like, has around 16,421 views, which is pretty tough. I'm gonna mention some of the stuff I mentioned in part 1. It's basically a website for iPhone, and it's an app for Android. You can download apps, mainly games, and do surveys, and in exchange you get coins. And you can save those coins up to get gift cards and other offers on the app. Before they have money offers, so I got $7 sent to my PayPal.
Oh my god! Wow!
This may take some time. If you have a lot of space on your phone, it's perfect for you. It's all the links, everything will be in the description box, and if you use them, it also helps me out. Like I said in the first one, if you don't want to use it, that's totally fine. If you are an older person, you do a lot of shopping, or if you just have a card, okay. Basically, you link up your card to the app, and whenever you use it, you get money / cash back. Many restaurants and many places use this. I'm gonna have them on the side, maybe this side, but of all the restaurants that also use Dosh, which means you're able to get cash back when you shop there. If you refer friends, it's also easier to get some cash back as well. Plaid or Plaid, I don't know how to pronounce it, but basically it's like an in-between things. And make sure that Dosh doesn't see any of your credit card information. Dosh says it yourself that you don't use your credit card information, but if you just want that extra security, just know that Plaid, whatever you want to call it, is there. Book Scouter is basically getting money for selling old books. I know I have a bunch of books that I usually take to Goodwill, but instead I just use Book Scouter now. Book Scouter gives you a prepaid postage, like shipping label or whatever, so you don't gotta worry about paying for shipping either. Just package up your books, send them off, and most companies pay you via PayPal. So I said PayPal. They usually pay you on PayPal. So whatever book that you have lying around you don't use, make some money off of it. Download Book Scooter, Book Scouter, whatever. Sweatcoin is an app that I mentioned in part 1 as well, but basically you get coins in exchange for walking. And let me just say this disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any of these apps, okay? Sweatcoin does take a while to add up. They have different offers on the app. Sometimes they have money offers. They always have PayPal offers in exchange for you for friends. You can help donate to charity, all that type of stuff. And like I said in the last one, I'm serious. I got $120 in total from Sweatcoin. Y'all think I'm lying? Like, for what? But yeah, you get coins for walking, and they do count indoors walking because you know it's quarantine right now. But you really do get more money if you do invite friends. Go check out the app yourself if you want to. The link will be in the description box. Tuluna is another like survey app. I use a bunch of these survey apps. I'm about to get into them right now. Basically, once you reach 95,000 points after taking the surveys, you can get $30 on your PayPal. It does sound like a lot, but it will add up quickly to give you a good amount of surveys at a time. Another survey app is Surveys on the Go. This gives you a good amount of surveys, but just their surveys take a bit more work compared to the other ones, I ain't gonna lie. Some require you to take videos of yourself and say stuff. I don't do those. I'm sorry, I'm not doing all that. If you are under 15, I don't recommend. I don't know, I feel like if you're under 15, you may or may not be a bit more gullible. You might expose yourself. I don't know. It's Google Premium Rewards. Same thing with the other ones. You get money in exchange for taking surveys. Just that it takes a little longer to get surveys from them. Ibotta is a grocery shopping cashback app. They don't only have places, they have like items. Like, say this is a jug of milk, okay, any jug of milk, any brand, you show the receipt or you show the barcode for it, they will scan it and they'll give you cash backs. That's really good for during this quarantine time, you know, get some money back for all that little stocking up everybody's doing. If you click my link, you join my team and we all make money together. I don't take none of your money, but we can just track each other. But I'm pretty sure my link starts you off with some points. I don't know how much because they change it like 24/7. So Ebates gives you money back. This is different because it's with shopping online. Whatever website you're on, they usually have coupon codes and cash back and percent off. That's really good. Everybody's on Amazon right now, let's not lie. User Referral is the last one, and if you're under 15, again, I don't think you should do this. Basically pays you for testing out apps, but you do have to record your face and your video while you do it, and they give you an app or a website that you want to test and give a little review of, and the company usually just give you some money back. But like I said in part 1, again, Mercari is what I use to sell my clothes, whatever's lying around the house. Mercari, Poshmark, Depop, all those type of apps. If you want me to do a video all about the whole shipping process or whatever, I got y'all. But yeah, so that's it for today's video on all the ways to make money online using apps. But if you didn't check out part 1 already, make sure to go check it out. The link will be in the description box as well. Got any video requests, let me know down below. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button down below, comment down below, stuff, I don't know, engagement. Adios.
Wait a minute! Who are you?